Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update SushiSwap slippage settings for better trades. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To update the slippage settings in SushiSwap, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the SushiSwap website. Once the page loads, connect your crypto wallet to the platform. Look for the trade section in the main menu. Select the exchange option to access the trading interface. In the exchange interface, choose the tokens you want to trade. Enter the amount of the token you plan to swap. Locate the gear icon, usually found in the top right corner of the trade panel. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. You will see an option labeled Slippage Tolerance. The default slippage tolerance is often set at 0.5%. Adjust the percentage according to your trading needs. For higher volatility tokens, consider increasing the slippage tolerance to 1 to 2%. If you're feeling cautious, setting it lower to 0.1% can help you avoid unintended losses. Once you've set your desired slippage tolerance, close the settings menu. Review the trade details once more to ensure everything is correct. When ready, click on the swap button to initiate the trade. Confirm the transaction in your wallet when prompted. Your trade should now process with the updated slippage settings. Monitor the transaction status on the Blockchain Explorer if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.